Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a toffee nut latte. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need fresh espresso, some delightful toffee nut syrup, and your choice of milk. Make sure you also have a frother or a steam wand ready to create that perfect creamy texture. And of course, grab your favorite tall mug to enjoy your homemade treat. Now, let's build the base of our latte. Start by brewing 1 or 2 shots of your favorite strong espresso directly into your mug. Next, add 2 to 4 pumps of the toffee nut syrup. The exact amount depends on your sweetness preference, so feel free to adjust. Give it a good stir to ensure the syrup is fully incorporated with the hot espresso. With our espresso and syrup combined, it's time for the milk. Steam or froth your milk until it's wonderfully hot and has a smooth, velvety texture. If you don't have a steamer, a microwave and a frother can work too. Once it's ready, gently pour the steamed milk into your mug, blending it with the espresso base. To complete your delicious toffee nut latte, add some delightful finishing touches. A generous dollop of whipped cream on top is always a fantastic idea. For an extra layer of flavor and visual appeal, drizzle a bit of caramel or toffee sauce over the whipped cream. Now, your homemade toffee nut latte is ready to be savored. Enjoy every warm, comforting sip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.